I came here from Paris 6 years ago now, almost, and we did it with pretty much nothing. At the beginning, the first year, we lived all the partners together, 5 in the same house, sharing the same car. But it's good memories, and he built us, he make what we are today. As a French chef, I put an honor to use only great product. The best way is to work with farmers, right? And I like to cook as well the product with great material, and it brings the color, the flavor up. It's probably why I like using copper pan. It's to give a little kick to my cooking. So the idea of Partage was to bring a modernist French cuisine with a friendly atmosphere. You don't feel the pressure of the fine dining when you're walking, you feel comfortable. I like to cook the lobster, especially because you can use all the parts from the lobster. You can showcase bringing together fresh ingredients from the farmer, make a nice jus with the head, really reduce to give the flavor and pair everything in the plate. I think that's the magic from cooking. This is a lobster from Maine, parsnip puree, local seasonal vegetable. On the top of the lobster, you can find some noble Russian caviar with edible golden leaves and lobster bisque. Partage is located in an unexpected plaza, a place like on the middle of nowhere in Chinatown. It's 1 block away from the Las Vegas Strip. We can play with more high-end ingredients. We can use truffle, we can use caviar with no pretension. It's more affordable, it's more friendly atmosphere. I cook the egg 1 hour, 143 degrees Fahrenheit. The yolk is creamy, melting. I pair it with oxtail, topped with croutons, sabayon all around, and shaved truffle. I like to bring some stuff from France. We love the pigeon, the squab. I know in US it's sometimes weird for people, but they like to try it and they really love it. I roast my pigeon in the Borgia pan, give a nice color, caramelization, add some mushroom tourné. That's a French technique. I do some mac and cheese. I like to call mac and cheese. People is laughing when I say that, but it's just cannelloni stuffed with mushroom and placed in the bechamel. A nice piece of seared foie gras, and then smoke the whole thing with applewood to give like a farm style of cooking. Feel like you're working in the field, in a farm. I like to pair my dishes with many components from the same ingredients. So the beef, I take the bone marrow, canoe, stuffed with sweet potato puree, sauteed porcini, roasted grilled chestnuts, black Angus hanger steak, cook on perfection with the Matfer Borgia. Bring a nice caramelization to the beef. After 6 years, 2 locations later, now we are looking on the future and looking for a 3rd place to open. We just want to keep moving. We are young, motivated. It's the time to do something big and great, living the American dream.